Hello, it's Mike from Hobby Print. We're going to show you how to remove a printhead from a Canon TS705 printer. We're going to simulate washing it, and then we're going to put the printhead back in the printer. To do this, I'm going to firstly change the camera angle and then get over to the printer. Okay, as you can see, I've already taken out the cartridges, but let's turn our printer on, and it is going to complain because it won't understand why we haven't got cartridges in. So if we hit the OK button and we just lift the lid, the carriage should traverse across. There we go, that's what we wanted it to do. Now it won't happen for you like that because you will have the cartridges in. Maybe I should have left them in and removed them on camera. However, once you've got it parked into the park position, simply pull the power lead out the back of the printer. The reason we do this is we do not want this moving whilst you're trying to remove the printhead. Now I'm going to do a couple of things that you don't need to do. It's purely to show you with a better angle on the camera how and what we're doing. So let's put a box underneath to change the angle of attack. And I knew that was going to happen. So let's also see if we can't help keep that open so it kind of behaves a little bit for us. That kind of does it, doesn't it? So we've now got access. What you've got is a little bar that locks the printhead in. This is the printhead, just here. And this mechanism here is a bar. Now you can't fully see it. So I'm going to move the printhead over and see if we can indeed show you the insides of it. And I think you can just see the bottom of the bar. So let's lay that down and you can see when my hand disappears what it's playing with. And there we go. It's that simple. It's a very, very simple, and do use two hands, up and down. Now pulling out the printhead, there's a technique to it. You're actually going to roll the printhead out. You're not just riving it out, you're rolling it out. So let's go and do that, and hopefully you can see the action and the movement. I'll stop that at that point so you can see, in fact, how can I show you this? There we go. You can see that we're rolling that printhead out and then removing it. So just to reiterate, flat, you're rolling it forward and it comes out. It just rolls out. You don't pull it out. And that's how you take the printhead out. Now, I've done a video that's been watched several million times, and it does simulate how you wash a printhead. You take the printhead out like this, and under a warm running tap, you would just wash the printhead, and I would do it. I always start on the reverse side, and you're allowing the water to hit the printhead. And what will happen is ink colours will come through, the various ink colours. And then you would switch it over and wash it again and wash it again and keep washing until it runs clear. Once it's run clear, you dab the contacts with a tissue and give it a good shake to get all that water coming out. The action is that you snap your wrist to get rid of it. So you bring your arm down and snap your wrist. Get as much water out as you possibly can. Dry the contacts, and then we go back to our friend here. And we're going to reinstall it. And let's see if the cover's going to play ball with us. So again, we've got this opened, we've got the carrier bar open, and remember, we're rolling it back in. And I'm going to try and do this so that you can see the motion, maybe a little bit clearer. because it is so easy to do. It kind of falls into place like that. You don't actually have to do anything. That's in. And that really is that. You would put your cartridges in at this point, give it a couple of deep cleans, and do a nozzle test. And once it's all come through, you're good and you're away and you're printing again. And I hope by following that procedure, that helps clear any problems you've got. Before I go, I would make the point, not all Canon printers have removable print heads. Some of them have them fixed on the cartridges. Where you've got 4 or 5 cartridges, 4 or more I should say cartridges, you normally have an independent print head, and you can, if you just search for this bar that we've shown you, don't try and force a print head out, just gently roll the print head out and you can go through the washing and the cleaning procedure. I know the earlier video that we did 5-6 years ago has helped many people, and hopefully this continues to help people. Thank you.